Good morning, students. In last class, we were studied about the contribution of scientists in the photosynthesis. Now, next contribution of Robert Hill in photosynthesis in 1937 demonstrated that photochemical evolution of oxygen can be separated from reduction of CO2, and it is known as Hill reaction or photolysis of water. It means Robert Hill and Bendel scientists are credited for detailed study of light reaction and proposed JADE scheme. What is Hill reaction or photolysis of water? It occurs in green up region of chloroplast. In this, water molecule splitting in 2H plus 2 electron plus half oxygen in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll and manganese and chloride. Next, Kelvin and Benson scientists in 1954. They discovered C3 cycle of photosynthesis. Presently, it is known as Kelvin cycle using carbon-14 radioisotope. By this cycle, CO2 fixed and glucose sugar is formed. Next, D. Anand et al. In 1954 demonstrate light-induced phosphorylation. It means photophosphorylation. Explain importance of two photosystem PS first and PS second. Photosystem first and photosystem second combinedly known as photophosphorylation, and it is known as JADE scheme and part of light reaction in the greener part. And ATP and NADPS2 are formed through photophosphorylation. Next, H. and Schleck scientists in 1966, they discovered C4 cycle firstly in sugarcane. Kelvin Benson discovered C3 cycle and H. and Schleck discovered C4 cycle in plants because first stable compound in C3 cycle is phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon. In C4 cycle, first stable compound is oxaloacetic acid, which is 4 carbon. So, due to carbon fixation number, Kelvin and Benson cycle and H. and Schleck cycles named as C3 and C4. Next scientist role, Peter Michel in 1961. They suggested chemiosmotic theory to explain ATP formation in biological membrane. ATP formation occurs through ETS, electron transfer system. Now we are going to talk about the site of photosynthesis. In plants, site of photosynthesis is chloroplast. So all reaction of photosynthesis take place in the chloroplast cell organelle. Chloroplasts are found in the mesophyll cells of leaves and also in all the green part of plant. क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्लांट बॉडी के अंदर मेनली लीव्स की मेसोफिल सेल्स और मेसोफिल टिश्यू में प्रेजेंट होता है. इन वन सेल ऑफ मेसोफिल 20 to 40 क्लोरोप्लास्ट में बी फार्म. एक मेसोफिल सेल के पास 20 से 40 क्लोरोप्लास्ट सेल ऑर्गेनल्स की नंबर हो सकती है. In higher plants, the chloroplasts are disc or discoidal shape structure. In higher plants, shape of chloroplast is disc-like, but in algae, shape of chloroplast vary, like star, flat. Next point, each chloroplast is bounded by 2-unit membrane. It means chloroplast is a double membranous cell organelle which is made up of lipids and proteins. And these two membranes are prokaryotic and eukaryotic type. Okay, the outer membrane is permeable to proteins, whereas the inner membrane is impermeable to proteins. क्लोरोप्लास्ट की जो आउटर मेम्ब्रेन जो प्रोकैरियोटिक टाइप की है वो प्रोटीन के लिए परमेबल होती है, बट इनर मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन के लिए इम्परमेबल होती है, प्रोटीन्स पास आउट नहीं हो सकती. The inner space of chloroplast is differentiated into two parts. क्लोरोप्लास्ट का इनर स्पेस होता है वो 2 रीजन में डिवाइड रहता है, स्ट्रोमा एंड ग्रेना. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द स्ट्रोमा रीजन. Stroma is the matrix part of chloroplast and it is filled with proteinous fluid and contains 70S ribosomes. Stroma regions जो लिक्विड रीजन होता है इसमें प्रोटीनेस फ्लूइड फिलअप रहता है. Along this it contains 70S ribosomes, small double circular DNA, Rubisco enzyme which is the most abundant enzyme on the earth, dissolved salts, osmophilic droplets of lipids, and it is the site of dark reaction because C3 C4 cycles occurs in stroma region. It means CO2 fixation, reduction of CO2 in the sugars. Now, second part of chloroplast is that grana. Grana is the most important part of chloroplast, and each chloroplast may contain 40 to 60 grana. एक क्लोरोप्लास्ट के पास 40 से 60 ग्रेना की नंबर्स हो सकती है. एक ग्रेनम कंसिस्ट of lamellar structures which are arranged like stacks of coins. Granum का अरेंजमेंट लेमिनर फॉर्म में होता है, और वो भी जैसे कॉइन्स का अरेंजमेंट हो, एक साथ बहुत सारे कॉइन्स अरेंज किए हुए हो, वैसे ग्रेनम दिखाई देते हैं. सो these laminar structure are called thylakoids. Different grana remains connected with the help of stromal lamellae or threads. ग्रेना स्ट्रोमल लेमेली से कनेक्टेड रहते हैं. जो मेम्ब्रेनस स्ट्रक्चर होती है, स्ट्रोमल लेमेली को थ्रेड्स भी कहा जाता है. ओके. Photosynthetic pigment, chlorophyll and carotenoids are found in the thylakoid membrane of the grana part. Thus, grana region of chloroplast is the site of light reaction. It means light reaction in which splitting of water or photolysis of water occurs in the grana region. So it is the site of light reaction and stroma is the site of dark reaction. Now there is a definition, quantasome. According to Park and Pan scientists in 1964, minute spherical granules are found on the inner surface of thylakoid membrane of grana region. These are known as quantasomes. And quantasome function is photosynthetic pigment. क्वांटासोम को फोटोसिंथेटिक यूनिट कहा जाता है. Each quantasome consists of 230 chlorophyll molecules, 230 chlorophyll pigments, in which 160 chlorophyll A and 70 chlorophyll B. Because chlorophyll is the main photosynthetic pigment, and 48 carotenoids, 116 phospholipids and other molecules along with enzymes. It means in grana region, arrangement of grana known as granum, single grana known as single coin or membrane of granum part is known as thylakoid, and membrane of thylakoid consists of minute particles which are known as quantasomes. Quantasomes consist of 230 chlorophyll pigments, 48 carotenoids and 116 phospholipids. And it is the photosynthetic unit because main photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll molecules are present in the quantasomes. Let's see structure of chloroplast. Structure of chloroplast is like this shape. It is the outer membrane and inner membrane. So it is the double membranous cell organelle. And matrix of chloroplast divided into two regions, stroma and grana. Stroma is the fluid part. In this, enzymatic reaction incorporated CO2 into plant leading to the synthesis of sugar, which in turn form starch. So this is not directly light derived but are dependent on the products of light reaction. It means stromal reactions, which are known as dark reactions, are indirectly light dependent because these reactions used the ATP and NADPH2, which are product of light reaction. So these are known as dark reaction because they are directly not use the light energy, but they are used the product of light energy in the synthesis of sugars. Second part, membranous system, which is divided into grena lamella and stroma lamella. Grena lamella and stroma lamella responsible for trapping the light energy and also for the synthesis of ATP and NADPH. So this is the directly light driven and called light reaction. In the matrix region, double-strand circular DNA is found because chloroplast is prokaryotic type and it contains circular DNA. In the matrix, Rubisco enzyme is also found and it is the most abundant enzyme on the earth and it is help in CO2 fixation. Lipid droplets and osmophilic droplets are also found in the matrix region. 70S ribosomes are present in the matrix. Now second part, stromal lamellae arranged in coin-like structure and form stacks of coin which are known as grena. Individual structure of grenum is known as grena. It means thylakoid. Single thylakoid and plural form grenum part. Membrane of thylakoid consists of minute particles. It means minute spherical structure present on the membrane of thylakoid, which is known as quantasome, and it is the photosynthetic unit. In this, 230 chlorophyll pigments, 48 carotenoids, and 116 phospholipids are present. So, main photosynthetic pigment, chlorophyll pigment, is found in the quantasome. Quantasome present on the inner membrane of thylakoid. Thylakoid present in the chloroplast. Okay. These grenums are connected to each other through stromal lamellae and it is also known as threads. So it is the membranous part of chloroplast. Now we are going to talk about the photosynthetic pigments which are present in quantasome. As you know that photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction and light energy is absorbed by pigments present in chloroplast. And these pigments are present in the grenum part. So light reaction occurs in the grena part of chloroplast. Those pigments which take part in photosynthesis called as photosynthetic pigments, and these are of three types: chlorophyll, carotenoids, and phycobilins. But chlorophyll is the main pigment, whereas carotenoids and phycobilins function as accessory pigments. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the chlorophyll. it is a green color pigment and it is the main pigment involved in photosynthesis. Because these pigments are lipid in nature, insoluble in water and soluble in inorganic solvents. And this is found in higher amounts than the other pigments. Now, how to synthesis of chlorophyll pigment? Succinyl coenzyme A bind with glycine amino acid and convert into protochlorophyll, which is also known as protochlorophyllane. Further, presence of sunlight and to hydrogen it convert into chlorophyll. So light is compulsory for chlorophyll synthesis in angiosperms. Now, types of chlorophyll. There are 7 types of chlorophyll pigments: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll A, E, bacteriochlorophyll and bacterioviridin, which is also known as chlorobium chlorophyll. Bacteriochlorophyll and bacterioviridins are not found in plants because they are present in photosynthetic bacteria. But in higher plants, only 5 types of chlorophylls are present: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D and chlorophyll E. Firstly, we will discuss about the chlorophyll A. It is a bluish green or bright green pigment with molecular formula C55H72O5N4 Mg. और इस फॉर्मूले को अपन क्लोरोफिल ए के स्ट्रक्चर में देखेंगे. कार्बन 55, हाइड्रोजन 72, ऑक्सीजन 5 for nitrogen ring and magnesium element. It is a universal photosynthetic pigment because it is present in every photosynthetic plants or organism except bacteria. क्लोरोफिल ए यूनिवर्सल फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट है बिकॉज ये सारे फोटोसिंथेटिक and chlorophyll A is a primary photosynthetic pigment because primary reaction of photosynthesis which involve conversion of light energy into chemical energy. ATP and NADPH is mediated by chlorophyll A molecules. So chlorophyll A is a reaction center and release of electrons in the light reaction or jet scheme through which ATP and NADPH2 are formed, and these are used in dark reaction to form sugar. So it is most abundant photosynthetic pigment on the earth. So these are specific points about the chlorophyll A: universal photosynthetic pigment, primary photosynthetic pigment and most abundant photosynthetic pigment. And important point is molecular formula of chlorophyll A. Okay.